I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping flow and relieving pressure so repairs are safe. You want a dry workspace. Once done, clear around the loose threaded joint and remove any clamps or fittings that block access so you can see thread damage. Make sure you have the necessary tools on hand: a proper wrench, emery cloth to clean, and both primer and solvent cement. Doing this now prevents surprises later and ensures you can inspect whether the threads or the fitting body need attention. You carefully clean the male and female threads to remove debris and slightly damaged material, because adhesive won't bond well to contaminants. Once cleaned, run your finger along threads to feel for burrs, then use emery cloth or a fine file to restore profile. Remove only what's necessary. After wiping with solvent and letting it dry fit the connection to confirm proper alignment and engagement. This step tells you whether the threads will seat correctly. You apply primer to both threaded surfaces to soften the PVC slightly so solvent cement can weld them. Allow the recommended tack time, usually seconds to a minute. Next, coat threads generously with solvent cement and quickly assemble, rotating 1-2 turns to spread the adhesive and align the fitting. Hold steady or brace for the initial set. Make sure you let the full cure time specified by the cement before turning the water back on. If it leaks, tighten slightly, reapply cement, or replace the fitting if threads are too compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.